In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Google Sheet be Asana 2025 step by step. By the end, your Google Sheet will automatically create tasks in Asana every time a new row is added, saving you tons of manual copy and paste work and keeping your projects organized without extra effort. First, choose a tool. You'll need a third-party automation service, such as Zapier Make, formerly known as Integromat, or Pabbly Connect. Create an account in the tool you prefer and get familiar with its dashboard. Any of these will work well for this workflow, and most offer a free tier to get started. You'll be connecting your Google and Asana accounts securely inside the platform, so have access ready and make sure you can log into both. Next, set the trigger. Start a new workflow, sometimes called a zap, scenario, or automation, and pick Google Sheets as the trigger app. Select the event for when a new row is added to your sheet. Choose the specific spreadsheet and the worksheet tab. Make sure your first row contains clear column headers, like task name and due date, and add one sample row to help the tool pull test data. Run the built-in test so the platform can detect that sample row successfully, then set the action. Choose Asana as the action app and select Create Task. Connect your Asana account and choose the correct workspace and project where you want the task to appear. If your team uses sections, you can point new tasks into a specific section to keep things organized from the start. Now, map the data. This is where your sheet's columns feed into Asana's fields. Map task name to the name field in Asana. Map due date to the due date field using a standard date format like YMMDD to avoid errors. If you have columns like description, priority, or assignee, email, map those as well, keeping in mind that assignees must exist in your Asana workspace. You can also combine multiple columns into the task description to include notes, links, or checklist items. Double-check time zones and preview the map task to confirm everything looks correct. Finally, activate the workflow. Save your setup and turn it on. Add a fresh row to your Google Sheet to perform a real-world test. Within moments, you should see a new task in your chosen Asana project with the exact fields you mapped. If anything looks off, adjust the mappings and retest until it's perfect. That's it. Your Google Sheet now powers automatic Asana task creation, keeping your projects accurate and up to date.